What up, Dope That Fam? Your boy here with another video. Today we're gonna be doing episode 3 of the red interior. We're gonna start doing the airbags, and I'm gonna try to see if I can spray down the steering wheel too. Cause you know, if we're gonna color match everything, might as well do the steering wheel as well. So I did get a new steering wheel cover. It's gonna be red instead of black. So I want to paint everything red, and then obviously put the new steering wheel cover on top. So that one will really be touching the painted area of the steering wheel. You know, it'll kind of look like an armrest here. But yeah, let's get started on installing all the stuff so I can get it prepped and start painting. Alright guys, so if you guys want to learn how to remove your front airbag, there's going to be a hole on each side. You just grab a small screwdriver, poke it on one side, push it out, poke it on the other side, push it out. It's just pretty much a little pin releases. You got to push in and then it'll come out. Make sure you do remove the negative on your battery, so none of this you messing around with the airbags, you know, so it won't explode in your face. Pretty much safety first. So make sure you do remove the negative of your battery, so pretty much none of this is active. But yeah, got this out, gonna take it out so I can paint it. And then to disconnect the wires, you just gotta press on these little side tabs. Just press on them and push up, and that will release your airbag. Awesome. I'm also gonna start removing the stitching on this old steering wheel cover. It was a stitch on by hand, so the new one will be installed the same way. Just gotta undo all the stitching, get it undone. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off because I'm also gonna paint the steering wheel and then install the new steering wheel cover. So yeah. So I took off the column cover, so you can see it's no longer there. Pretty much all I did was just force the column shifter out, and then I pulled the plastics down and off. There was no screws or anything, just clips. If yours might have screws, so you might want to check, but mine didn't have any. Alright, so I'm gonna paint everything I took off first, and then we'll do the steering wheel last. What I'm planning on doing is just getting some paper covering everything that I want sprayed, like the seats and stuff, because I ain't gonna paint the steering wheel while it's on. I'm not gonna remove it, and then just like paint it from here, you know. But yeah, should work. Guess we'll see. So let's get these painted first. Alright, so I started spraying them down. I started off with this adhesion promoter. Supposedly it just helps the color red last longer, and so won't pretty much fall off as quicker. Kind of like a primer, and it's ideal for plastics, vinyls, and chromes. So I sprayed this on plastics first. We're gonna give it 2 coats of this, and then we'll start off with the red. Now I did go ahead and redo the handle, give it another coat, just because I saw like around the edges right here, it wasn't as red, so I decided to give it another coat. Ignore the baby shower decorations. Gotta check these out. So right now we're about to put everything back together. Steering wheel's almost done. Gotta put the airbag back in, and the new steering wheel cover goes in. Over here, I gotta put the airbag back in, the cover, put back the handle, and the air vents, and we'll be good. As you can tell, everything's ready to get put back together. Also got the column cover, goes right here. So yeah, let's get it.
Any ideas?
Alright guys, I'm gonna start the sewing process. This is the steering wheel cover. Pretty much, they give you this string and a needle. And then you gotta run them between this sewn string back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until you finish wherever you started. So this is a process, guys. It'll probably take me around 30 minutes. So let's see. Let's start now. Let's see how long it takes me. Perfect. Alright guys, now all I gotta do is put the airbag back in and we'll be finished. At least with this section of the truck. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think it looks damn good. Over time it'll get tighter, just like right here. Like all this should get tighter. This needs to expand and get more loose. But it'll get tight. But yeah, it looks good guys. I'm loving it.